Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you.
Sabay-sabay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
More blessings!
Yes!
Yeah, that's why your husband bring you here. I met also another Filipina like that. So his wife